Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to use Incognito or private browsing on iPhone Safari, so let's start. So first let's go to Safari. As you can see, I'm here on my browser, Safari, and then if I want to use Incognito or the private browser, what I can do is click on the square that is under the right side. Just click here and then just click on tabs. Then on tabs just click on private. In that way, as you can see, we are into the private browsing mode on Safari. Now if you want to use a new tab, just click here and just click on Google, and now you can see that I have a new access, I have a new browser, and that is how it works. It's very easy to do it, so I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give a thumbs up to this video.